We're getting straight into it. This is Mega Hair Company. This is everything in the pack right here. I already did glue the wig cap down and put makeup on it right here. I'm just cutting the wig cap off. Now the wig cap is off. This is the wig right here. It was a 22-inch straight wig. This is Mega Look Hair Company. I did do the baby hairs myself, but it came pre-plucked and it did come with baby hairs, but I did curl them. I did also bleach the lace myself. So right here I am cutting off the ear tabs. The lace front glue I am using is the Ebin Hair Company. So I'm going in with 2 layers. The first I will let it dry completely until it's clear and then put another one on top. Now that it's all glued, you do not have to do this step, but I do like to do it for a little bit more extra security. So I'm going in with the Ebin lace front spray, and then I will tie it down and let it dry. I did want a middle part in this wig, so I just plucked away in a straight line. Lace is all cut off and now it's time to do the baby hairs. I do like to go in with my styling gel because it does not make the edges crunchy.
What we do here is go back.
Very quick and easy installation. After I take the scarf off, everything will be flat and nice. I really hope you enjoyed the video, dolls. Here's the final result.